Assalamu alaikum. How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to get a brief introduction of the software. First of all, let's get to know about this character, which is called Sprite. Sprite is a character. In Scratch, we can change different characters from here, which is the option choose a sprite. This will open a tab with a collection of sprites. Here we have some animals, some people, some fantasy characters, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and even some letters. These are all our characters. The background where the sprite is moving is called backdrop. For example, it is moving, it is turning. This is called backdrop. We can even change the backdrop here. This is backdrop. Choose a backdrop. We have variety of backdrops here. You can check it out from your downloaded software online version. These are the different types of backdrops we have. Here I'm choosing the XY grid from here, which is here. This is the background. Our scratch is moving. The area here is called script area. This is where we will code. In Scratch programming, rather than writing and typing code, we use these code blocks. There are different types of blocks, code blocks. We will get to know each of them one by one. First of all, it is motion block. Motion means movement. So in this block, you have movement options like move 10 steps. If I click on it, the scratch will move 10 steps here. If I turn it 15 degrees clockwise, it will turn clockwise. If I turn anti-clockwise, it will turn anti-clockwise. Go to any random position. If I click on it, the scratch will go to any random position in a script area or stage like this. This will go to any random position. Next is X and Y. X and Y. Here is the grid. Y axis is vertical like this one and X axis is horizontal. So when you type here, go to X. If we put here 0 and also here 0. If I click on it, this means the scratch will go to 0 x-axis and 0 y-axis, which is center. If I want it to go to 90 x-axis, if I click 90 and click, this will go to 90 x-axis. You see here, these are the marks: 100, minus 200, positive upwards, negative downwards for x-axis. Positive is on the right and negative is on the left side. Next block is our events block. Here, this is the most important block. If it is not present, the sprite will not run. For example, you have already studied in Scratch JR. The flag here starts the program. Uh, this will definitely be here. Next is if any key is pressed when the sprite clicked. We will get to know all of these in our project's next lectures. Here is the sound block. It will play some sound or make some noise. The looks block. It will say or think or switch costume or switch backdrop and change size. These are the looks block. Next is control block. We can control the movement or action of our sprite by this block. Next is sensing block. Like our five senses, we have given our sprite also some senses, which are touching color, touching the mouse pointer, distance, or something like setting, drag, mode, etc. Next is operator block, green. Here we will do some mathematics, arithmetic. Pick random or join or letter. These are. Next is variables. We can create some variables and set their values. We can also create our own blocks from here, my blocks. We can also create our own blocks. This was the brief introduction to Scratch software. Let's meet in another lecture.